Is it working? Okay. Hello, people. I've been watching videos of this strange noises coming from the sky this year, 2012. And then I was like, I've heard that before, summer 2010. And I've caught it on this, but not on camera, which I'm really sad about. But yeah, I'm gonna play some of the videos that are not fake, that are actually real and sound a lot like the noise I heard. Pebbles, no. Yeah, she's been driving me crazy all week. I mean, not all week, she's been driving me nuts for a few weeks. Okay, so the noise I heard in the sky was summer 2010, and now everyone's catching some. But some of them are faked, and I can tell that they've dubbed it from War of the Worlds, the tripods. I will play the tripods noise first. I'm sorry I can't show you my noise on my MP3. I wish I could, but I can't. Just a second. My dog is being annoying. Pebbles, no, come to the deck. She's saying she has to pee, but she doesn't. Because she does that like every freaking second. Go out there and leave me alone. Okay, now I will play it. Oh, dang it. I put my music on. Okay, I think this is it. Okay. If it wants to load. See, that's the War of the Worlds tripod. And now here is the ones that are not dubbed from War of the Worlds. Okay, so here's one of them. This one's really good.
It's 3:35 in the morning, and I keep hearing this noise that wakes me up. This is the third night in a row.
Sorry about that. There's one of them. That's a really good one. Hear that one? Next is strange sounds in Chile. The first one was Oregon. Now this is Chile. Well, that's just music right there. Here's another one. These are all in 2012. Mine was in 2010. Okay. skyquake, Greenfell, Saskatchewan. That's more of a sucking noise. Mine was more of the trumpet grinding noise. How about the Denmark one? Pretty freaky, eh? Scientists have said that it's solar flares that happen 2010 to 2013. Well, it said 2012 to 2013, but I caught mine in 2010, so. And my parents thought, and some other people caught them 2011. And, mine was caught when there was construction work going on the bridge over West Side. But I live north, and west is fairly far away from my house. Not really far, but far enough for it to not be heard. And why would they be doing it at 12 o'clock? Apparently they were doing it 24/7. But some nights it was quieter, and some nights it was louder, and it was like it was only caught in the night time, and it was louder at 12 o'clock. And yeah, how could it be construction work if it was like that, like what I said? Scientists have said that it's solar flares, the aurora borealis is getting stronger, or blah blah blah, I don't know. And yeah. Well, you tell me what your opinion is. What I think is, I really don't know. It sounded like it was hovering above my house, like a cloaked UFO or something. Like one night, and I was like crying, so I was like freaked out, and I couldn't sleep with it, the noise. My parents heard it, I heard it, and Sarah, who lives up the road from me, says she didn't hear it, but I'm sure other people besides my family have heard it. I wish someone would have caught it on video, and then people wouldn't think I'm crazy. I mean, I caught it on MP3, but no one can see that except me and my friends and family. I mean, hear that. Which really makes me wish I caught it on camera, but I didn't. So, what do you think about the strange noises?